everybody, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap, and today we're going to make some open book embellishments. I figured it was time to pull out that die set, and it does make two different sizes of books, or you can probably keep layering them. But I just decided to use the smaller book size. And I just used some old black and white paper that I had kicking in my stash from the dollar store a long time ago, and I also had some other paper that was, I believe it was gifted to me, the Pebbles and Ink collection, I think. Anyways, and I used some black cardstock here. So I'm just punching out some little flowers and butterflies, and I'm just prepping my books here. I made sure I curled all the edges using some sort of round instrument, such as a pencil or something. And I just folded up the middle so I get a good grip when I put my book pages together. And I pulled out some cheesecloth and some of this other dollar store lace that I've had in my stash forever. So it was great to use up some more bits and pieces of that, and same with this mesh roll here also. These came together so beautifully. I really like how they turned out. And just getting it all glued together. And I'm just trimming up the excess overhang here. But you want to leave some just to make it look spooky. And I love this other confetti pack that I purchased recently. It's got the black cats, the witches, and the boo word. And I'm just putting a ribbon, gluing it down on the back so it looks like a bookmark in the middle of the book. It was the smallest ribbon I had, and then I just used a black marker and made some like stitch lines. And this is a I think it was like a planner pack that I had gotten at Michael's last year in the discount area, so I was just getting some more of them words used up, because they're fun to cut apart too. You don't have to use the whole saying. So, and the confetti, it just, look at that, it's just awesome. And I really like the holographic look to them. It really makes them stand out. They're so pretty. And I decided to use some of my Spanish moss. And I found you really have to twist the stuff up into a tiny little ball for these projects. And then I had this necklace that I had purchased from the Dollar Tree probably a couple of years ago now. And I used one of the bones, and I'm just pulling out my silver stickles and giving a butterfly trail. And just gluing down some little gems here. And those are also some dots I made using perler beads that you saw in the bucket there. I used some of them with some gems. And these are how they turned out. I think they turned out so adorable. And here they are all together. And I enjoyed doing them so much, I wanted to do a black and orange theme. So I went and die cut some more, and I pulled out my leaf die cuts and my scripting. Ink pad thingy. I can't speak today. And I had some Happy Halloween washi, so it fit across the book just nicely, so I'm just gluing the ends down. And I think the black leaves added a really nice touch. And then using up that tiny little confetti is just the perfect accompaniment to go with that. And here they all are. I really love how they turned out. I love the vibrant orange and black together. I think they look beautiful, and then I show them all together with the black and white. So I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I had fun making these, and I got some more fun embellishments coming, so stay tuned. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.